Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. It's another beautiful Monday morning, which is the beginning of the new trading week. Okay, and of course guys, just like you guys have known, we usually check out the trending market for the week. This usually serves as a kind of guide for us whenever we are trading, and this has actually been giving us positive results all this while, and I'm really happy that we came up with a program like this. Okay, so we will be having another edition of it again tonight. Today. Just stay tuned and watch this video to the end so that you will understand how it goes. Okay, but before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course do your own personal practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before you can try it out on real account. This is very important. Okay, so many people have been doing this and we've been getting positive results from them, so you too can also do the same thing so that we can have positive results from you. Okay, so this is very important, and if there is anything you are not clear with, you can easily ask your question by dropping your questions in the comment section, or probably you ask me personally by contacting me on WhatsApp. This is very important. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Remember, these are the assets we'll be checking out, and of course everything I will be doing in this video will be on the higher time frame because we need to see the charts for the week so that we will be able to analyze better. Okay, and of course you should be able to balance between the lower time frame and higher time frame when you are about to trade, because a little pullback on higher time frame can be a total reversal in price action on lower time frame. This is very important, so we want to have a safe trading journey, not something that will be giving us issues later on. Okay, so that is the main essence of today's video. So quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, I will be taking it down to boom 1000. This is daily time frame on boom 1000, and we've been checking out this chart for a while, and right from here it started a downtrend because it was unable to break out above this resistance zone, and it has gotten to this support zone, still was unable to go beyond that, and of course this actually went up to create another resistance zone around here. You can see I highlighted it that here is a resistance zone, and if it's unable to break out from there, then definitely it will pull back, and it pulled back. Okay, just the way we have seen it. Okay, so right now it has pulled back till it's heading towards this. Here is another support zone. Okay, even though it's giving us more of a bearish candle at the moment, it has been giving us this for the past 3 days, and of course if it's unable to break out below this particular support zone, then definitely we may likely have a continuation of the buy trend right from there. Okay, and it will be trying out this resistance zone again to see if it will break out from there. So once it breaks out from there, then definitely it's going to go beyond this level. Okay, but here is a support zone, so it will keep on selling till it gets to somewhere here. Okay, so and if it's unable to break out below this, then definitely it will go back into a buy trend. Okay, so this is still despite the fact that it is still selling at the moment. Okay, despite the fact that it is still pulling back at the moment, definitely it's still going to go back on uptrend right from there. So this should be giving us more of an uptrend in this week than a downtrend. Okay, but it needs to finish up with the current pullback that is happening around there. Okay, so for today it is still creating more of a bearish candle. If it's unable to break out from that support zone, then definitely it will go back into an uptrend. Okay, so definitely let's go straight into boom 500, still on daily time frame. Okay, this is boom 500. We started this particular chart right from this support zone, and I remember I highlighted this period. Okay, and of course it's been going up ever since, even though there are pullbacks in between. Like I said, there will always be pullbacks. Okay, and this is just for it to go back fully and break out the initial resistance zone. Okay, so that is it. So you can see right here, after getting to this resistance zone, it pulled back, and of course it's going back up again. Okay, to try it out. If it breaks out above it, then definitely the next resistance zone is what we should be looking out for. So this is going to be giving us more of a bullish candle that is uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Still on daily time frame, this is crash 1000. We can see that this has been on a very strong uptrend. Okay, and it has got into this resistance zone. If it's unable to break out above it, then definitely it should start selling right from there. And even today it is creating more of a bearish candle at the moment. Okay, but we need to be sure that this is now going on a bearish pattern right from there. Okay, so this has got into this resistance zone. It might try it out again. If it's unable to break out from there, then it will go back into a downtrend. So we expect it to sell more. Okay, even though it is at the resistance zone, so we expect it to sell more if it's not breaking out above that resistance zone. Okay, if it's not breaking out above the resistance zone, so this should sell more. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 500. Okay, this is crash 500, and this had got into this support zone, and of course it has been ranging within this period. Okay, because it is at the support zone and trying to see if it will break out below this support zone, but has not been able to break out from there. So this is actually going back, may likely go back into a buy trend right from there. Okay, and of course most especially once it breaks out above the resistance zone, then it will buy more. Here is a resistance zone. Once it breaks out above this, then it should buy more. Okay, so for the past 2 days now, it has created more of a bullish pattern than a bearish pattern. So this should be giving us more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, so finally we will be checking out our volatility 75, but before we check that out, okay, let's check out this on crash 500. We can see this, guys. We can see this. Okay, once it breaks out above this trend line, then definitely it will buy more. Okay, so we need it to break out above it. Okay, so you should wait for that. Okay, now let's check out volatility 75. This is volatility 75. This has actually got into this resistance zone, and it is buying at the moment. I mean, it is selling at the moment. Okay, and may likely sell till it gets to this support zone before it can have a major pullback. Okay, and of course once it breaks out below this, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is going to be more of a downtrend than a buy trend. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with in this week, and it is the trending market. I mean, this is the information for the trending market for the week. All you just need to do is just for you to understand how it works and do your own and make sure you apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Okay, you should be able to balance between the higher time frame and the lower time frame so that you can have a successful trading journey. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are going in the description box below this video, and of course you can also drop your questions in the comment section. I'll always be there to reply. I will be stopping right here for now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.